Hello, I'm John Regina, here to demonstrate the features and safe operation of our frozen drink machine with dual dispenser. Make sure to position the machine on a sturdy, level surface, as these units are quite heavy. Fill both hoppers with a pre-mixed drink mixture to the fill line. Plug the power cord into a standard 110-volt outlet on a dedicated 20-amp circuit. Press the green power switch to the on position. Turn on both auger mixing switches and both snowflake freezing switches. Allow the machine to mix for 5 minutes. Then you may add up to 1/3 of a fifth of the liquor of your choice. Allow 45 to 90 minutes of freezing time for finished product, depending on how much liquor is used.